Welcome to Gear Era, the ultimate channel for automotive enthusiasts, where every vehicle is explored with precision, insight, and passion. Today, we are diving into one of the most highly anticipated supercars of the next generation, the Mercedes AMG GT 2027. This model has captured the imagination of sports car enthusiasts around the globe due to its perfect blend of breathtaking design, high-performance engineering, and advanced technology that seamlessly combines luxury with a thrill-seeking driving experience. The AMG GT has long been a symbol of Mercedes-Benz's commitment to precision engineering and exhilarating speed, and the 2027 model elevates this reputation to new heights. From its meticulously sculpted body to its cutting-edge performance features, this latest iteration promises to impress both drivers and automotive connoisseurs alike. The exterior of the Mercedes AMG GT 2027 immediately demands attention with a combination of elegance and aggression. Every curve, crease, and line has been carefully crafted to optimize aerodynamics while maintaining the iconic AMG and styling cues. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by signature LED headlights that not only enhance visibility, but also add a fierce, commanding presence on the road. The hood displays subtle yet muscular lines that hint at the immense power lying beneath. The car's low-slung stance, wide fenders, and aerodynamic side skirts contribute to both stability at high speeds and the unmistakable AMG silhouette. Available in a striking white color, the glossy finish accentuates every detail, reflecting showroom lights in a way that highlights the vehicle's contours and sophistication. Every angle of the car is designed to evoke emotion, whether it is the front left cinematic view, the powerful rear right stance, or the full side profile that emphasizes both elegance and performance. Under the hood, the Mercedes AMG GT 2027 has been engineered to deliver extraordinary performance. The vehicle is expected to feature a high-output twin-turbo V8 engine capable of producing exhilarating horsepower and torque figures that thrill the driver while maintaining exceptional precision and control. Advanced transmission systems, including an updated dual-clutch automatic gearbox, ensure lightning-fast gear changes and seamless power delivery. The AMD Tune suspension offers adaptive damping, allowing the car to remain agile and composed on tight corners while maintaining stability at high speeds. Drivers can expect an engaging driving experience that balances raw power with refined handling, allowing them to push the car to its limits with confidence and precision. Whether navigating city streets, highway curves, or track environments, the AMG GT 2027 delivers a driving sensation that is both thrilling and intuitive. The interior of the Mercedes AMG GT 2027 has been reimagined to offer an unparalleled blend of luxury, technology, and driver-focused ergonomics. The cockpit features premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents that convey a sense of sophistication and craftsmanship. The AMG steering wheel, wrapped in fine leather and adorned with intuitive controls, allows the driver to engage with the car seamlessly while maintaining focus on the road. The instrument cluster is fully digital, offering customizable displays that provide real-time performance metrics, navigation, and multimedia information. The infotainment system integrates the latest MBUX technology, providing voice control, smartphone connectivity, and advanced navigation features, ensuring that the driver remains connected and informed at all times. Seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum support during spirited driving, combining comfort and sportiness to accommodate both daily commutes and high-performance sessions. Safety and driver assistance technologies have also been significantly enhanced in the 2027 AMG GT. Mercedes-Benz has incorporated the latest generation of active and passive safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and advanced emergency braking systems. Cameras and radar sensors provide a comprehensive 360-degree awareness around the vehicle, assisting drivers during parking, maneuvering in tight spaces, and navigating challenging driving conditions. These technologies not only enhance safety, but also complement the high-performance nature of the car, ensuring that drivers can push the limits of the vehicle with confidence. Aerodynamics and performance optimization are central to the AMG GT 2027's design philosophy. The car features active aerodynamic elements, such as adjustable rear spoilers and diffusers, that adapt to driving conditions to improve stability and reduce drag. The underbody is carefully sculpted to enhance airflow, and air intakes are strategically placed to provide optimal cooling for both engine and brake. Lightweight materials, including aluminum and carbon fiber, reduce overall weight without compromising structural integrity, further enhancing agility, acceleration, and fuel efficiency. Every component of the AMG GT 2027 has been carefully engineered to balance the extremes of power, speed, and luxury, creating a vehicle that is as functional as it is aesthetically striking. The braking system of the Mercedes AMG GT 2027 has also received significant upgrades to match its performance potential. High-performance AMG brakes with ventilated discs and advanced calipers provide exceptional stopping power while maintaining fade resistance during high-speed driving. The integration of electronic stability systems and torque vectoring ensures that the car remains composed and responsive even under aggressive acceleration, cornering, and braking scenarios. This level of precision and control is essential for both daily driving and track-oriented experiences, highlighting the AMG GT versatility as a high-performance supercar. Mercedes-Benz has also focused on personalization and customization for the AMG GT 2027, allowing owners to select from a range of exterior colors, interior trims, wheel designs, and performance packages. This ensures that each vehicle reflects the owner's personal style while maintaining the core AMG identity. From striking bright finishes to subtle, elegant interior detailing, every choice contributes to the overall experience of owning a vehicle that blends artistry, engineering, and performance. In conclusion, the Mercedes AMG GT 2027 represents the pinnacle of automotive innovation, performance, and luxury within the AMG lineup. Its combination of aggressive yet elegant styling, powerful twin-turbo engine, cutting-edge technology, refined interior, and advanced safety systems makes it one of the most compelling supercars in the world. Every detail, from its aerodynamic efficiency to the premium materials inside the cabin, has been meticulously designed to deliver an unmatched driving experience that appeals to enthusiasts and luxury car owners alike. With its stunning visual presence, exhilarating performance, and advanced features, the AMG GT 2027 sets a new benchmark in the sports car segment, while remaining true to the heritage and excellence of the Mercedes-Benz brand. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to stay updated on the latest automotive innovations, specifications, and performance analysis, make sure you subscribe to Gear Era so you never miss our upcoming videos and expert insights on the newest vehicles hitting the market.